Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix no internet secured in Windows 11. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is use the search bar and then just type out inetcpl.cpl and then click on enter. Now you'll be able to see this and then you will just have to click on the connections. Okay, and then click on LAN settings. So you'll have to uncheck this one here. Okay, and then click on OK and then click on OK. Now use the search bar again to search for ncpa.cpl and then click on enter. Okay, and then here you will just have to right click your Wi-Fi connection and then click on properties. So here you will just have to double click this one, okay? And then here you will have to mark this obtain an IP address automatically. And then at the bottom, you will also have to click on this one, the obtain DNS server address automatically. Okay, and then click on OK. And then click on OK again. And then you'll be able to right click this and then click on disable. Right click again and then enable. So just have to exit that and then type out network reset. Okay, and then you will just have to reset this now. So make sure that you remember the password of your Wi-Fi because you will have to log into that Wi-Fi connection again with your password. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye-bye.